Today, get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey as we explore the blue village of Juzcar in Spain. It's a fairy tale come to life, inspired by the magical world of the Smurfs. So keep watching until the end. Welcome to Juzcar, the blue village of Spain, where fantasy becomes reality. Just take a look around. Every street, every house, every nook and cranny is painted in vibrant shades of blue, transporting you straight into the enchanting world of the Smurfs. Juzcar is a small village located in the province of Malaga, in the autonomous community of Andalusia, Spain. It gained international recognition in 2011 when its entire village was painted blue as part of a marketing campaign for the movie The Smurfs. The film's production company, Sony Pictures, chose Juzcar as the venue for the premiere of the movie in Spain, and as a result, the village was painted blue to resemble the fictional Smurf village. Initially, the plan was for the village to be repainted to its original white color after the movie promotion ended. However, due to the increased tourism and economic benefits resulting from the blue makeover, the residents of Juzcar voted to keep the blue color permanently. The blue paint has become an integral part of the village's identity and has attracted numerous tourists who come to see the unique blue village. Juzcar is surrounded by beautiful natural landscapes, including mountains and forests, making it an attractive destination for nature lovers. The village itself features narrow streets, traditional white houses with blue accents, and a tranquil atmosphere. It has a small population, and its main economic activities revolve around tourism, with various businesses catering to visitors, such as souvenir shops and cafes. If you plan to visit Juzcar, you can enjoy strolling through the blue streets, exploring the local shops, and soaking up the charming ambience of the village. Additionally, you can take advantage of the surrounding countryside to go hiking or engage in outdoor activities. It's worth noting that while the information provided was accurate as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there may have been some changes or developments in Juzcar since then. Therefore, it's always a good idea to check for up-to-date information before planning a trip. Juzcar underwent this incredible transformation in 2011 when it was chosen as the venue for the movie premiere of The Smurfs. The entire village was painted blue as part of a promotional campaign, and the residents loved it so much that they decided to keep the blue color permanently. Since then, Juzcar has become a beloved tourist destination. Stepping into Juzcar is like stepping into the pages of a fairy tale. The blue-painted village creates a whimsical atmosphere that captivates visitors of all ages. It's a paradise for Smurf enthusiasts and anyone seeking a magical experience. As you wander through the village, you'll encounter charming Smurf-themed decorations like statues and murals, bringing the beloved characters to life. It's a paradise for photo enthusiasts, so don't forget your camera. Juzcar doesn't stop at its stunning blue facade. It offers a range of Smurf-tastic attractions that immerse you even further into the world of these lovable blue creatures. Visit the Smurf Museum to learn more about the history and creation of the Smurfs. You'll find a fascinating collection of memorabilia and artwork that showcases the enduring popularity of these little blue characters. And for those looking for a piece of the Smurf magic to take home, Juzcar is home to several shops offering a wide variety of Smurf merchandise. From figurines to clothing, you'll find everything you need to bring the Smurf-tastic spirit back with you. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the stunning hiking trails that wind through the mountains. The panoramic views are absolutely breathtaking and provide a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're hiking, biking, or simply enjoying a leisurely picnic amidst nature, Juzcar offers a tranquil retreat where you can connect with the beauty of the great outdoors. Well, folks, our Smurf-tastic adventure in the blue village of Juzcar has come to an end. From the vibrant blue streets to the Smurf-themed attractions and the surrounding natural wonders, Juzcar truly brings fairy tales to life. If you're a fan of the Smurfs or simply looking for a unique and magical experience, Juzcar is a must-visit destination. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing destinations, and join us on our next adventure.